Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the language of your Amazon speaker. First of all, open Devices tab, click on the Echo and Alexa, select your speaker, click on the settings icon, next scroll down. You have to go for the language, it's below the follow-up mode, and right now there's the list of all available languages. So if you want to pick any of them, like for example I would like to switch to this English from India, click OK, and there will be also the notification that this language is not fully supported in our country, so Alexa feature content may be unavailable. So there's a quick note, you can just click OK, and there is also updating, so we have to wait a few moments until it finishes. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.